All right, we're going live. So if you're watching the VOD, just want to say hello. My name is GhostStrats, and this is a Friday night live stream. I'm still getting everything together. Going to be hosting a dark web server. I'm going to be putting it on this new laptop, which I'm going to talk about a little bit later. New old. I mean, it's a new, I guess, crap top, right? But we're gonna have some fun. So I'm experimenting here. Hopefully this goes well. Kind of excited. Also want to show some projects that I've been working on. So let me go ahead and pull up the stream, make sure we're live. Testing audio, 1, 2, 3. Testing audio, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Getting everything ready, getting chat up. Oh, they finally got back to me. In progress. It's been like 3 months. Come on, in progress. Reaver the Beaver, did you ever get the mail? Because at this point, I got to send you a new one. That's ridiculous if you haven't gotten it. And I want to know who the hell got it, because that's such a random thing to get in the mail. Oh, boy. So that's Discord. I'm trying to... What am I trying to do? I'm trying to get my dark web information on my Discord. I want to make sure everything's still there. Dark web thread, server info. Copy message link. I'm going to load it up in the Tor browser. So get everything ready to go. How's everybody doing tonight? I have not yet. No idea. Dude, can you imagine how awkward and weird that is for the person that received that thing? It's going to be really weird. But we'll get everything started. So let me go ahead and open up Onion Share. So to start a dark web server, chat server, you got to use a thing called Onion Share. I already have my chat server set up already. All I got to do is hit start. But if you wanted to create your own, it's as simple as hitting the plus button. You can also share files using the dark web. You can host a website, which I'm working on. We're building a website in the dark web. Okay, political stuff in chat. I guess that's fine. Everyone has a right to their opinion. I really just think the whole political system's bent anyway. But you can share your files on the dark web. You can receive files on the dark web. Again, all using Onion Share. I got videos on my channel explaining how to do this. But we're going to be booting up the chat server. Actually, might as well just boot it up. Actually, I'll wait. I'll wait until we get an audience to get some people in here. Then we'll boot up the chat server. So I got to go ahead and message in the Discord that the chat server is live. How's everybody doing tonight, by the way? How's everybody? Anybody working on special projects? My latest project this week was building the Suitcase computer. I'll turn on the big light for this one so you guys can see it. Okay. Oh, it's so bright. So I ended up building a computer inside of a suitcase. So I still need to glue it a little bit better. But pretty much the suitcase and the computer's built inside it. I'm actually running everything off of Tails Linux. There's no hard drive in this computer at all. It's completely stripped. It's pretty cool. I mean, you can use Tails Linux on it. I have Kali Linux. I have Void. I don't have an Arch bootable flash drive, which is funny. I gotta build an Arch one. I back in the day I used Black Arch before, and I haven't used it since. So I gotta go back into that and try that again. So, hey, what's up, my man? What's up, Mayhem? And by the way, shout out to Mayhem. Anybody watching the chat? He's been posting some YouTube videos lately. Please go give him a subscribe to him. Go check out his stuff. He has some really good content on there. And he has a really awesome beard too. So I want to make sure I point that out. So definitely go check out that. Check him out. Big shout out to him. He started doing the YouTube stuff recently, and yeah, I'm here to support one another. So, but tonight, if you guys haven't heard already, we're gonna be hosting a dark web server, and we're gonna be chatting in there together and having some fun. So I'm going to be posting in Discord. I'm going to be putting it up shortly. All the information for this chat room, the link and the key to get into the website is going to be in my Discord. So get some time, join the Discord. The link to my Discord is in my bio on my YouTube channel, so go ahead and check that out. Yes, the Viking. He's also a Viking too. I mean, he has the beard to prove it. So, sup? What's up? Going on, everybody? Again, the project I worked on this week, just to show it's almost done, but building the suitcase inside of the building the suitcase. Oh my god, building the laptop inside the suitcase with the spare parts I had laying around. And we're currently running an operating system off of this bootable flash drive. And the cool part about this whole setup on this computer is that if say like, and there's no, you can't store anything to here because there's no hard drive in here. So if I was just to pull this flash drive, that's it. It just dies and there's no trace of anything. Everything was on here. And this is also, there's nothing saved on this bootable flash drive either. And that's it. Go ahead and turn the computer on. It'll just say error. There's no hard drive, and that's it. Really fun project. Again, I got the suitcase for free, and I had the old computer just laying around, and I just figured, hey, I always wanted to do it. I did it once, and the motherboard failed on me. So it's okay. When things break, it gives you more an opportunity to make it better the next time. So I did. It came out a little nicer this time. So I got to work on gluing it and screwing some things down. But it works pretty good. See, that's a message you get. So no device, boot device not found. So if I was to plug in the flash drive again, oh boy, I think I gotta do this way. One thing about the studio, it's dark. I gotta get some better lights in here. So if I was to turn this off and turn it back on, it's gonna boot off of the USB, and this is Tails Linux. So there you go, boot it to Tails. So I also can get a battery bank for this, so I could actually, this could be a portable computer. Right now I have it plugged in, but I could do this. I could have it set up so it's a battery. I could take this out in the middle anywhere and just have a computer. So it's pretty cool. I mean, you could do that with a laptop anyway, but this looks really cool and it was a really fun project. So I actually posted that video this week on my YouTube channel. So if you want to go check out that project, go ahead and I basically show you how to do it and how easy it is to set it up. So. How is the Tails? It's good. I like Tails. Wait, the RAM? I'm confused. The RAM on this device, it's fine. I think the RAM on this one's only 8, so it works fine. I think it's very light on resources. It's a very light Linux distro, so I almost got it to boot on a Flipper Zero, almost. I was able to successfully install Void Linux on a Flipper Zero, but I mean, that's probably the most bare bones Linux distro you can get. So, all right, we got to go to about people in here. So we're going to boot up the server. So I got a message in chat. So let me go, I'm going to put you guys on the tripod. So give me 1 second. Please don't end the stream. There we go. Less shaky. I know I feel bad. I shake you guys like freaking crazy. So, all right. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to launch a dark web chat room. So you need the Tor web browser to access the dark web. So you can't use your Google Chrome for this. So make sure you guys have the Tor browser. All the information on how to download. I mean, it should be pretty easy to find. I mean, let's go ahead and minimize this. All right. So the Tor browser. Actually, I had an update, so there got to be some kind of update. So this is how you access the dark web. So you're going to be pasting a link. So you're pasting a link into this to get into the server. So I already saved a bookmark for myself, because the website doesn't change for me, and there's a passkey. So to get the passkey, you got to go on my Discord server under web info. So here's my Discord server. It's right under, it's on the dark web server info. This is the link. That's the passkey, sorry. The blue one's the link. Copy that, paste that in the Tor web browser, and you're going to need this passkey. This is the passkey to get onto the server. So let me go ahead and we boot up the server first. I'm going to message in the Discord that the server is live. So let's go ahead and boot it up so you guys see how it looks like. So we'll go back to Onion Share. And again, if you guys are curious about any of this, I have videos on my channel showing you how to do this. So I already have my server over here set up. Chat. Start chat server. Okay, and then tell me that we're live. Okay, the chat server is now booting up. So this server is now live on the dark web. So I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to message my Discord that this is now active. So I have a status one. Dark web status. just gonna do cut and paste because I'm really lazy. And I'm very bad at multitasking, and I'm very sorry that you guys have to deal with me. Paste. Wait, that's not what I wanted to do. Let me just put servers up. Server is up. Okay, so that's up. So we are now live. So if you guys want to go to the chat room, so we had a lot of fun. We did experiment this week, and we ended up sharing poop stories. Oh my god! And the cool thing about the dark web is that this is completely private and pretty much off the grid. And it's as soon as we close the server down, it deletes forever. So this is, but people use this kind of stuff to communicate, and in countries that you don't have freedom of speech, and it's a good way just to stay private and autonomous. So let me go ahead and actually show the server. Sorry, I get excited when I get all into the dark web stuff. All right, so we're going to open up the link, and it should remember the passkey. I think it saved the passkey for me, so I don't have to put it in. But if you were to log in for the first time, once you click on the link, it'll say put in the passkey. You have to cut and paste it in there. So is mine not working? All right, we'll go ahead and go back to Onion Share, copy address. Let's go back to Tor. Control V to paste it. Okay, so I might not ask for the passkey. No, it didn't. Okay, yeah, because I already did it. So here we go. So this is what it looks like. This is the dark web chat room that's now live. So it says that I joined, and you can change your name. So right now it says, but it comes up with a random username for yourself to identify yourself. We're gonna put may or not. May or may not. Sorry, may not be GhostStrats. Okay. So that's my new name, and then I'm about to send a message in the dark web. Ready? Watch this. It's literally this simple. Test. Oh, did I not type it? Test. There we go. Test. There we go. Actually, my name may or may not be GhostStrats. So you can. Oh, somebody else just joined, I think. But we're gonna see how many people can get into this tonight. Last time we tested this, I had about like 5 people in here, and it got very chaotic fast. So hopefully we keep this nice, clean, and fun. Again, this is dark web. I promote the freedom of speech aspect. Oh my god, I can't talk. I promote freedom of speech. I really think they should be private and have the opportunity to be private. It's a shame that every platform I think you go on nowadays tracks you. And there might be a time and age where we need to use this stuff to stay private and off the grid. It could be just things get compromised, servers get compromised, the internet goes down. I mean, there could be a number of things, especially with the rise of AI. I talk about that on my channel heavily as well. We don't know what the future holds. It's a very scary thing. Very good, bro. Hey, what's going on? I'm sorry, I have not been really paying attention to the chat that well. I'm sorry, I'm trying to boot this all up to get people in here. So again, to get into the dark server, all the information is in my Discord. The server info as well as the passkey to get in. So I'm just going to give you guys a little bit, see who gets in here first. You guys can talk in. Again, everything is in my Discord. And again, just a side project I worked on this week, the computer inside of the Suitcase. There's a video on that on my YouTube channel. And Meshtastic stuff. I can't believe me and LilyGo have been talking. So LilyGo is a company that makes Meshtastic devices, a couple other cool devices as well. And they're sending me some free products to do some videos on. So hopefully we can build a relationship with them, because I really want to get to Meshtastic stuff on this channel even deeper. And them funding it, giving me the stuff would be awesome. So and they literally sent me like $100 worth of free stuff already. So if you guys are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. I also do mental health stuff. Go ahead and check out my podcast. I posted like 4 podcast episodes today because of Black Ops 6. I wanted this week to take some time to actually play some games. So I posted a whole bunch of videos this week, so there's plenty to go through. I'm going to be working on some more YouTube shorts, and I'm going to try to catch up on chat. So let me go ahead and do that. Oh, we got a new laptop. So this is we ended up on my channel because I asked you guys what I should do. So we are currently at 32,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. And we're almost at 1 million views on the channel. So let's go ahead and look at that. It's been such a crazy journey this year. So we're at 957,000 views on my channel. We're getting close to that 1 million. That's insane. I thank you guys so much for your support. So I've been posting a lot of YouTube shorts, as you've been seeing. I'm trying to work with companies behind the scenes, but I've been fighting with a couple because they're just. I'll talk about that another day. It's just they've been really irritating me lately. It's the ones that in particular, but there's been some good ones. So Lily Good's one of the good ones. So a big shout out to them. Actually, I could probably show you. So let me go ahead and go community tab. This laptop's so much better than the Chromebook. Things actually load when I tell it to load. So this laptop's a cheap, like $200 to $300 laptop. Live in 10 minutes. All the videos I posted today. Oh, yeah, that was a good question, right? Where is the one? There we go. So Lily Go, big shout out to Lily Go. I don't know if they're going to see this VOD or not. Lily Go ended up sending me these two devices, the T Watch S3 and the T Echo Meshtastic. Cannot wait to get my hands on these devices. So I can't wait to make videos on it. They literally, I really hope that we can build a relationship because Lily Go has a lot of cool stuff that would be very useful for our channel. And especially if we can get discounts and stuff, that'd be awesome. So again, I appreciate all the support. We last live stream, last 2 weeks, we ended up raising the money for the Kill USB. That's still on the way. Oh my God, I gotta tell you guys that story too. Let me go check out let me go ahead and pull up the chat first. I'm sorry, I'm trying to I need like a person to control everything while I'm talking. That's the live stream. So we can pull up the chat. So maybe we got to do, I'm gonna try to do like two things at once. So let me have two screens. I can have the chat open. My pin is in the Discord, okay? How can I join? Everything's in the Discord. Let me go ahead and check the Tor browser. Bubble's in. Somebody's in there. All right, let's see if I can make this work. That. And that. I want to see chat. Where's chat? Here we go. Yes. No, I don't want me. There we go. Nice. This worked out good. All right, check it out, guys. So we have the dark web chat right here, and we have somebody in there. Looks like Bubble. Hey, Bubble. I have never seen your channel in my life. Just came across it 5 minutes ago. Awesome. Well, welcome to the channel. It's been a crazy year. It's been 6 months really that this channel has blown up the way it has. So I really do appreciate all the support. We've done some really cool things. Go ahead and check out the other videos on my channel, talking about all the cool devices I have. And I pretty much do a little bit of a dive. I dive deep into each device, try to explain it in a nice, simple way, so that people can not be afraid and just jump into it. So really do appreciate the positivity tonight, guys. I really do. Nice, brother. Yep. So everything's in the Discord. So the Discord screen's over here. So all the information is in my Discord. So go ahead and join. It's on my YouTube bio. There's a link for it. And service info, server info. The link is right there to get on the server. And the special passkey to get on our servers right here. So the status is up. So we have Bubble in there. Congratulations to Bubble. First one in there tonight. So again, why talk about a little bit of dark web? So I like to do like more of like a public service announcement toward it. It's not all bad. I mean, I've been exploring the dark web this whole week, and there's some really evil, dark things on the dark web. I'm not gonna lie, but there's also good things. Freedom of speech. There's websites where the journalists can go to post their things without any kind of bias. I mean, you can't trust the news media anymore. People rely heavily on even TikTok nowadays to get their news media. So the problem with that is like that's also run by a foreign entity, really. So they can post and do things that they want. So you kind of want autonomous, non-biased platforms to go on. So the dark web allows you to be anonymous, and especially if you use tools like the Tor web browser, you use things like Tails Linux, like over here. You can be anonymous. Meshtastic is a perfect thing. Off-grid cell network. I made a video about that this week. It's really cool. Like you can. It's possible to be a ghost. Like it's possible to be invisible and get your privacy back. Like your privacy is very valuable. Right now, like our data, our metadata is worth so much to these companies. It's constantly being sold on the dark web. Like your information on the dark web is being sold. And I saw the marketplaces. You can buy malware, you can buy weapons, you can buy anything you could think of. It's on the dark web, and it's scary. But there's also a good corner on the dark web where you can have privacy. You could send files. You can talk to one another. And so when we get into red team, good, awesome, red team, good. So yeah, I'm more about the privacy part of it. And let's say, God forbid, right, if there's a natural disaster, or there's some kind of like a terrorist attack, or maybe AI goes rogue and locks down the internet and it starts to spy on us, or even the government to get a hold of AI and it gets out of control. What can happen is you're gonna have to use sites like this to protect yourself and to be private. So I did an interview, not an interview, but I asked ChatGPT how to hide from AI and stuff like that, and actually confirmed the things I've been saying. So go ahead and check out that podcast. I actually posted that today. It's really cool. Bro, I think I have a virus. I have to know which file it came from. How do I get it out of my PC? That's a good question. Hold on, I'll tell you. And I downloaded free CS:GO cheats. Oh God, yeah, you need to wipe your computer. Because the problem with what's happening to you, it's not like how back in the day it was super easy. Oh, you could be able to find the file easily. These viruses now disguise themselves as Windows processes. Oh my God, processes, and it's very hard to get rid of it. And if you delete it, it can replicate itself. So you just need to wipe your computer, start all over again. You shouldn't be downloading cheats anyway. Don't do that. It's not good. I know it's fun and all, but it's just not good. VM is yeah, you have a virus for sure. They're probably using your machine to crypto mine, or even worse, they're using a machine to attack another machine. And God forbid that they attack something that's really sacred. I guess the word I could use the word for it. They'll come after you because it's your machine attacking them. So that's the thing too. You don't want viruses, man, because they could use your computer for malicious activities, and then they come after you, thinking it's you doing the damage. So learning about privacy as well. Yeah, check out my channel because that's what we're really going to focus on my channel. So I have tons of hacking gadgets. So I've been going through that throughout the whole year. I got more hacking gadgets coming in, and then next month, all the YouTube revenue, all the live stream donations that we've gotten, I'm buying tons of gadgets. Pretty much any gadget you can get your hands on easily, I'm going to go get it. So I'm going to get the Hacker RF Portapack. I'm going to be getting the Wi-Fi Nugget. I mean, I got the Deauthor, but I want to get the Wi-Fi Nugget because I want to support that creator, Cody. He's a really good, passionate cybersecurity guy on YouTube. I want to listen to your mother. Yes. What is a good antivirus? That's a good question. Uh, I have to get back to you on that one because there. I mean, what is it? Trying to think. 'Cause one of the companies I'm talking with, but I don't really want to promote right now because we're having some issues. There's a lot of free antivirus stuff out there, but I don't want to recommend one yet, just for the sole purpose that I don't have a sponsor yet, and I don't want to. The two reasons why I'm fighting with companies is that I'm having issues with some of their products, and I don't want to. I'm not going to be a sellout. That's the thing on this channel. I really need the money. That I really do helps. The money that and the donations really do help. I've been turning down sponsorships and stuff. I don't want to just give you guys garbage. That's not what I want to do. This channel is not for that. So I'll get back to you. If you want to go follow my Discord, I'll look that up for you. Maybe I can find one that's highly recommended. If anyone in chat could help them out, maybe there's any good antiviruses. I don't really, because with me, if anything happens, I just wipe the computer myself, and then I start over again. I kind of use like systems where they're burner systems, like I burner computers, burner operating systems. So if I need to do something, I'm in and out. And then I use cloud computing too. So if I need to do like a home project or something silly, I just use a cloud computer. So like I'm constantly not, I don't know how to word it, but like I don't really have a set thing, I guess. So I have your dinner. Cool. Okay, Crispy. So how you guys doing? So far mostly just Bubbles is in the dark chat room. If you want, I can paste. Maybe I could paste it in the chat. Let me try that. Right. Let me go and put you guys down for a second. I need a coffee sip. Hold on. Whoa, heard noises. All right, so let me go ahead. I'm going to paste it in the chat. I think I can do that. Copy. Oh, copy message. I just want to copy this. Actually, I can do it this way. Hold on, there's more than one way to do this. This. Copy address. All right, see if that works. Okay. Use GPG4 to verify the ISO signatures. Okay. So I'm gonna look into that too, because again, I'm still looking for companies. I've been testing. I don't know if you guys ever heard of Mel Wanton and Threat Zone. I've been testing their digital forensic software, and they are the only ones I like so far. But I need to do some further testing before I promote it to you guys. So but it's been good so far. So I'll just give you a little heads up on that one. And why is this? Oh, it's because I gotta click it. Duh. Okay, there you guys go. So the information, so the dark web website is right there. It's for the chat room, and then the key to get into the website is right there. Try malware bytes full scan. Okay. So thank you very much too for. And it's the thing on my Discord too. If I don't know the answer to something, there's somebody in our Discord that does. Like it's been such a great community build. We're all there for each other. We all share our projects with one another. And I don't know if I don't know if Mayhem's still in the chat, the Viking guy. I've been promoting his YouTube channel. He's starting out. He's getting into cybersecurity and making videos. He actually teaches cybersecurity. He's a professor. So like he's in our Discord. So like we're building a really cool community and we're really nice. And I'm saying that because like I don't want the know-it-all kind of people. But that's like this Discord doesn't have like the know-it-all people. Like it's people like that. It kind of like pushes you away from learning and makes you feel uncomfortable. Like we try to make everybody feel as comfortable as possible. I also promote mental health. I have a mental health podcast. I also post positive messages and Christian messages every day in my Discord. So it's in a community. Yeah, we have a community. So I think we're growing pretty well and having a lot of fun. I'm meeting a lot of you guys. You guys have been teaching me things and we've been going bouncing ideas off of one another. And it's been a crazy year. So the new device is coming, by the way. Bubble's still in the shout out to Bubble. See, I don't have any balls to run my PC. I don't have any balls to run that on my actual PC. What do you mean? Yeah, I don't want to do cheats because I don't want to fund that. Like I'm a gamer. So after I'm done with this live stream, I'm gonna go play Black Ops 6. So if you guys are interested in that, I'm gonna be on Black Ops 6. I've been like so excited for that game. So awesome channel, my friend. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys' support. I mean, it's just I get nervous. I'm really going out of my comfort zone a lot with this stuff, and I'm still learning myself. But I want to get the information out there to you as fast as possible. Especially with the White House explaining about the AI stuff this week. I really wanted to get that stuff out there. So it's been a really busy week, but I'm working on it. So thank you guys for being here with me and supporting me. I really do appreciate it. Did you read the question? I'm running Tails on a USB drive. Will persistence make it less private? Yes, a good question. Also, having persistent storage on Tails congestions are safe, so I don't know that. So here we go. So I have Tails right here. So you can pick and choose. So this is the answer your question quickly is yes. It makes it a little less private and a little less like, say if you were to get compromised, your flash drive will have the information on it. So the best way to use Tails is to not have anything on it at all. But if you're somebody that's an everyday user of Tails, you don't want that to be a pain in the butt to do that kind of thing. But for example, I'm going to just, but you could also have the, let me do this first. So I'm sorry I'm all over the place, but when I'm live, like my mind's jumping around everywhere. Start without persistent storage. So yes, not going to save anything. You have the option to save things in persistent storage as you're on it. So you can save network connections. You can save certain files and programs. So you can pick and choose what you save. So if you have if you're doing something and as long as it's not in the file that's persistent, it will delete itself. So it depends on how you use it. So let's go ahead and this is my computer this week that I built inside of a suitcase. So it might be a little slow. This is made with some spare parts I had laying around. I think I got to go to, I think there's a setting for it. Where is the persistent settings? Zoom, open, English. This might not show the persistent settings because I turned it off. So I'm on the burner mode really right now. Okay, yeah, I'm on the burner. It's not going to give me that option. But you would have a tab that says what persistent storage you want to save. Do you want to save a certain file, a certain program? If you want to use Tails completely anonymous and not worry about anything, don't set persistence on it at all. Just boot it the way it is, and as soon as you unplug it, it deletes forever. It doesn't exist. That's it. Gone. And I saved nothing to this, so nothing. I even have it on. I have micro SD cards that I've used. Oh, I should have this. That's on the micro one. Oh no, it is. No, it's gone. It's missing. Okay, I don't know what I did with it. But I got micro SD cards as well. that I have this stuff on. So why Linux? Why? I mean, Linux. I mean, you can't get this type of privacy anywhere, and for free. I made this device for free. I mean, I had an old flash drive laying around, and I just went on to the Tails website, downloaded Tails, booted it on the flash drive, and there you go. I got a whole bunch of. Maybe I can show you how many. I gotta have this very unorganized. Where's all my bootable flash drives? A whole bunch. Oh, I took them up. That's right. I took them. I've been experimenting. So you can on my channel. I have a whole bunch of free Linux operating systems that I put on USB drives. So you can get a thing called Ventoy where it has a bootable flash drive, but it has a whole bunch of Linux operating systems. But I prefer having dedicated flash drives. Hey, Red 4's in there. We got somebody else in there. Got people joining. Awesome. So let's go. We got someone else joining the dark web server. So that's cool. So today you guys can say that you were in the dark web today and you actually in a dark web chat room. How cool is that? So I see you guys. Awesome. So that's so cool. So I mean, that's the dark web doesn't have to be scary. You know, if as long as you do stuff like this, you're in it for privacy, and not trying to do malicious things. And believe me, this week I saw some really messed up stuff. So I'm not, and I don't want to condone any illegal activity either on the dark web. I don't. But there's some good. Again, the freedom of speech and being completely anonymous is awesome. So that's the whole thing on this channel. We're trying to take back your privacy because it's yours. You don't have to give it up for convenience. You don't have to. So, and especially, God forbid, we come in a situation where we become compromised. Maybe a foreign country infiltrates everything that we have with their AI, or whatever it is. We're already a step ahead. We know how to do this stuff and communicate with one another. So, and I'll be getting into radios, actual like radio stuff in the next year. That's my plan for goal for next year. We're going to be getting a lot more Meshtastic devices. I really hope that we could cement that relationship with LilyGo, because I would love to promote their products because they're so easy to set up. Like, if you were to get this device brand new in the mail, you get it, you plug it into the computer, you go to a web flasher, match the device, and flash it, and this thing's ready to go. It's so simple. It looks complex, but it's so simple to set up. It's crazy. I got a YouTube short showing you how to set that up. It's crazy. So best OS I found is Cubes OS. What's Cubes? I never heard of Cubes. I'm guessing it's Linux. Oh, is Cubes the other, like, hold on, is Cubes the other one that's just like Tails? Are important to have long aside mesh dash. Okay. Flungs are awesome. What is that? So I gotta look up that after the stream. So that's something that I'm not too familiar with. Yep, similar to Tails. Yeah, that's what I thought. But it's not as popular. There's something wrong with Cubes though, if I remember correctly. Yep, similar to Tails, it's better. So no, Cubes is better than Tails? Because I think I heard opposite. I know there's another competitor that's just not as good. It's newer, but it's not as good, if I remember correctly. And again, I want to shout out the people that actually made it to the dark web. Bubble and Red 4. Congratulations. You are in the dark web on my dark web server chatting. That's it. You can say you went to the dark web tonight. It is better. So I'm waiting for the confirmation which one's better. So, and again, on my channel, I got to promote because all the donations and stuff help. Any supers or any channel members, they really do help me to buy better equipment. The next time YouTube ever pays me, this month I ended up buying this computer because we had this old Chromebook that we couldn't really do much with during the live streams and stuff. So I bought the Chromebook. I was going to get a MacBook, but I was like, it's way too expensive. It makes me nauseous to get that type of thing. So we got cheap computer, and I got the iPad so I could do the better video editing and art for the channel. So really excited. So the next paycheck from YouTube, we're going to be getting all new hacking devices. So that's going to be a lot of cool stuff coming. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of that cool stuff that's coming. How do I join the dark web? So I posted the link already. I can do it again. So the link is in my Discord under server info, and it also has the passkey to get on. So 2 people made it already. So let me go ahead and I'll repost it in there for you. Just have another sip of coffee because I'm losing my voice. And I can't wait for Black Ops 6. I've been looking forward to this. All right. Copy address. Okay. Is that a tampon? No. Where do you see a tampon? I got highlighters, Meshtastic. Oh my god, this kind of does look like one. Oh my god, you're talking about the mouse, aren't you? Oh, I can't unsee that. Why would you say that? I can't. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. You can clone an OS in seconds on cubes. You can do the same with Tails, though. You can clone Tails pretty easily. So I have to look at this. Maybe my whole life's a lie now. Maybe I've been using the wrong one. All right, we'll see if anybody else made it to the dark web chat room. Peter. Okay. Nope. Ref. Wait, someone else. Keeper. Hello, Keeper. Reaper. Keeper. Have you changed the name already? Oh, no, we didn't. So we got 3 people in the dark web chat server. This is great. So it's not as active. When I was testing it, dude, we were talking about really funny stories. But again, this is all private. Everything that stays here is private. I mean, I know I'm posting it so you can see it, but reality is, as soon as I turn the server off, all this stuff disappears forever. Just not on YouTube. But Spacey Jones, one of the channel members. Shout out to you. What's up, man? How are you tonight? Thanks for stopping by. How was work? I think you just got off of work, right? We're actually currently in the dark web, our channel, Discord. Oh my God. We're currently in the Discord dark web chat server. Jeez, I can't talk. You don't know how much editing I have to do, guys, when I make these videos. It's hours. I'll be cutting myself out. Good, sir. Gonna hop in the dark chat. Yes, that sounds so cool. Gonna hop in the dark chat. My man, Spacey Jones. Awesome. So again, thank you everybody that helped donate money for the last hacking product. We ended up getting the USB Kill 4, and I'm going to be donating. I'm going to be killing this live. So we're going to be burning. This might even catch on fire. We're going to be burning this device with a Kill USB V4. That pink laptop down there. We're going to be killing that, sending that off, and I'm going to look into getting a couple cell phones we can break too. So. I think Tails is best for completely mobile. Oh, that's temporary. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for, right? So I like having the mobile on the go, and I got the what do you call it? The micro SD cards I've been using. Cubes is nice because you can have it banking is generally separate. Oh, okay. That's cool. That's a new concept there for me. Not really, but I'm not a new concept, but like. That's a good idea. Banking OS, generally serving work, basically the VM OS inside of the base of queues. So, I got to look into that. That's really cool. So it's an operating system that it work after you have the operating system. It has a separate virtual system, and that's where it does all the work. That's actually a pretty cool concept. I can't connect. Did you connect with the passcode, the passkey right here? Oh, are you using the Tor web browser? Because you can't connect using Google Chrome. You need a dark web search engine. You can't access the other side of the internet with Google or Edge. You need to use Tor, the Tor web browser, to do so. Can you post a link in Discord? It's in Discord, Spacey. It's if you look. Oh, sorry. I'm hitting the keyboard. So if you look, that's our Discord. There's the community chat and hangout and stuff. I gotta get rid of the files. Thanks. Dark web. If you look under server info, you'll have the link and stuff in there. But I'll post it anyway. Copy text. Go to general. Okay, it's in the Discord regular chat as well. I'll post it here again. Oh, it's too big. I can't do it. Never mind. Sorry, guys. Okay. Let's go back. I'll just leave the general chat up as well. Oh, my YouTube light. I forgot to turn this on. YouTube actually sent me this light. Such a cool light. Oh, someone said something. All right. It says webpage might be temporary down. It should be still up. No, people are joining. Someone just joined. Some of the names this thing comes up with is hilarious. Does ISP know what if we are using dark web? Yeah, maybe. But I mean, it's hard to see what you're doing because you're jumping through a lot of like proxies. So like that when you log into the Tor web browser, you jump around the servers a lot, so it kind of keeps you private. So it's not like you're not. You can go on the dark web, but just you got to make sure you just don't stumble across something bad. So that's all. So right here, we're doing everything. This is all just for communication. So okay, no, if you're using, it's here. Oh, okay, yep, okay. Sorry, I just didn't know what that we were doing there. ISP. Yeah, I use the dark web all the time. Honeypot. Yep. 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 Pretty cool. Chuck, what's up, Chuck? Yep. Can do it. What do you mean you can't? Can't do it in a Tor Brave window? I don't think so. Oh, you can't do it. Okay, you're saying you can't. Yeah, you can just. It's easy to download Tor. You just Google Tor and download it. It's pretty simple. Just like you want to download Chrome, it's literally the same kind of like thing. So it's kind of nice to see a live streamer who cares about privacy, security, and yes, no, I do, and I, oh my God, I'm sorry. I got like a lot I want to say, and I'm dyslexic, so I have to like sometimes struggle with stuff. But to me, like, here's my thing, guys. And I haven't really got a chance to really talk about this. Is that I don't want to promote the evil and bad things. Like, hacking is cool. It's a lot of fun, but I don't promote stealing people's information, breaking into things, causing chaos. What I promote is I promote the side of where I want to be able to fight back. So eventually in this channel, we're going to be getting into digital forensics. And came across your channel this week. I've been checking your channel out. I'm a noob at this and I want to learn more. Join our Discord because there's a lot of people in there building their YouTube channels and stuff right now. So I'm trying to give back. Like I want to help you guys too. Like I want to, if we keep sharing knowledge with one another, we'll be unstoppable. Like this is a really good support network to be in. So it's been great. And I've been learning so much off of you guys and we've been learning off of each other. I've been even giving people advice on how to set up your YouTube videos, how to do thumbnails, how to use AI to help enhance your engagement on YouTube. Things I've learned about how to write YouTube descriptions. Like I've been helping the community in my Discord with their YouTube channel. So Mayhem right here. Make sure to go check him out too. So he's one of the ones that trying to help out. And he's an awesome guy. He has a really cool beard too. Just see, he actually shows his face on the YouTube videos. So I mean, it's just something funny. But he's awesome, dude. So, bro, I have heard you talk about 50. What? All right, can someone delete that, please? I mean, you're gonna get a couple people saying stupid things. I don't. That's a thing too. I don't promote any of that stuff. That's horrible. Can you be in the field around viewers? I can't help. I've been in the field. Perfect. You definitely join the Discord. We love to learn learn off of each other. My current stance on YouTube is that hold on a second. The way describe how nice to see it. All right. So anyway, I don't know. I don't have any mods in. I don't think today. Let's go ahead and block him forever. Sorry about this, guys. So I hate that, and then you get to deal with people like that all the time. So unfortunately, get some good and some bad, but trying my best to help people. I'm also learning myself, so I telling you I don't know everything. So sorry, at my Discord just sent the message that we're all live right now. So probably live for another 20 minutes or so. It's gonna be a shorter live stream today because I've been killing myself all week, and I've been dying to play Black Ops 4 Black Ops 6. Oh my God, 6. So it'll be, if you guys want to play some games later on with me, let me know. Message protected. So, yep. So let's go ahead and check out anyone in the dark web server. Check out the link I sent, Cubes. All right, perfect. So I'm gonna go check that out. Thank you. And then I appreciate all the feedback, by the way, all the positive stuff. I really do appreciate it. Hey, DefMine, what's up, dude? DefMine is a longtime friend. He was back when I used to. I known DefMine since Mixer days, and that's a long time ago. What's going on, DefMine? We're currently in the Discord server on a dark web chat server that we just built and set up. So we're going ahead and we're showing the good side of the dark web, where you can become private and have private conversations without the Meta platform stealing your stuff. So zones are your. Where do you buy the lights? Amazon. Everything's Amazon. So this is actually Walmart too. This is a cheap Walmart bulb, but for blacklight purposes, it's horrible. This is a $14 Walmart blacklight. It gets a little hot. I don't like how hot it gets. But in short bursts, it's okay. And the reason why I have the blacklight is because when I'm doing like educational stuff, so like for example, I'm learning about I'm learning about, and I'm going to be creating a video eventually about alternative data streams. Everything glows here, so it's more entertaining and easier to look at. So I'm talking about how you can hide files within files, but you can't see it. So I'm working on stuff like that. But I like the blacklight because it makes it more fun to look at. And that was the Meshtastic and off-grid stuff I did in the last YouTube video. So I like the blacklight because it's different, and I'm using it in like a different way. So definitely, you learn so much. That's the same. Yeah, I've been studying stuff for years, but I was always afraid to start a YouTube channel on it. I just did a couple security videos, and they blew up, and I just kept going, and it's just been growing ever since. So it's just, and everyone I've been meeting along the way has been awesome. So yeah, the black lights are cool. I mean, it's entertaining to look at, and it's fun, and I like to build projects and stuff too. So like all the hacking devices on my channel. So go ahead and check it out. I have lots of videos now. So my goal for the end of this year is to get all the hacking devices I can get my hands on that's available to the general public. So we're very close. So next month, when YouTube actually pays me, and all the money that we raised for the last couple live streams and stuff, I'm gonna be buying tons of gadgets, and my whole channel is gonna have all these gadgets all the time, and I'm gonna keep building up. I watch them when I went to sleep. Awesome. Yeah, definitely. Black lights are cool. So I got a lot of things planned, guys. I'm starting to build relationships with companies, so that's only going to help us grow. And working with one company that does digital forensics right now. So I'm not fully done with them yet. I want to. I don't want to be a sellout. Like I want to make sure whatever I tell you guys or promote to you guys is actually worth it. So, Lewis, what's up, Lewis? Another channel member. Appreciate you, Lewis. Appreciate your support. Lewis is man. I think you're like a premium channel member. So I'm going to like get really close up. Thank you so much. I appreciate all the donations. It really, really helps. It really helps me. So again, it all goes back into this channel. So there's a lot of cool tech I got to buy, and they're expensive. So like the Hacker RF is like $300. And that, what I bought a couple other things this week. So can we, okay, you can be a sellout at a good company. Just got to learn who's good. I know the difference is I want to find people. So where do you find dark web links? They're in my Discord and they're in the chat here. They should be already in the chat. So if you go to my Discord channel, I posted it in the general tab, but I can also post it back in here if you want. So if you give me a second, Louis Mino, it's two. Oh my God. What time should I live stream? Because it's only 8 o'clock for me. What side of the world are you guys on? Red 4, shout out to you, man. Italy. Oh, that's awesome, man. It's like one of my lifelong dreams is to go to Italy. That's so cool. I want to go. Actually, I want to go everywhere in Italy. I want to go everywhere. I never left the country I live in, so I definitely want to travel one day. It's a goal of mine. Bad OPSEC saying that. Yeah. Hey, Defma, you didn't have to do that. Last Ghost years ago. Oh my God. Remember Last Ghost Recon? The good old days. No, Ubisoft's supposed to be coming out with a new Ghost Recon game next year. The rumor has it. So, and I'm actually still partnered with Ubisoft. So hopefully I can get hands on that first. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. So again, thank you, DefMime. DefMime's been a good lifelong, honestly, friend since I made content, even when I was doing on Mixer back in the day. So, yeah, we have a long relationship with DefMime. We just had what we did in Minecraft servers back in the day. We had a lot of fun. So just things change. But I still play games. I still promote cloud gaming and stuff like that. I'm still partnered with Shadow PC too. Oh, cool. I'll add my yeah. Please put your projects in there. Linux on my iPhone. I want to see all your projects. My Discord, we share our projects together. So I actually shared me doing the Suitcase one. I shared the Meshtastic stuff I've been working on this week. So it's a good. I'm telling you, it's a good community, and we also do a little bit of mental health. I do a little mental health stuff too to help give you some positive messages throughout the week. So you really inspired me to do streaming stuff. Yeah, I actually stopped by your stream the other day, but I just couldn't write in your stream because I was video editing. I forget what game you were playing, but you were live last night, and I was actually lurking in your live streams. I actually was stopping by. I should have said something in chat, but I was so busy editing and stuff, and I think I was actually doing. Actually, I was actually also at a Bible study, I think, at one point. So very busy on Thursdays. But I saw you yesterday. I did see you live yesterday, so I should have said hi, but I'll stop by sometime this week. So now that I'm getting YouTube a little bit more organized, guys. So there's a lot of there's more stuff coming. I'm getting more comfortable talking and stuff like that and making the videos. It's just I want to get the foundation on this channel done first, all the fun toys and gadgets done, and then next year we get into more in-depth stuff and the radio hacking off-grid. But this is the theme we're sticking with, not malicious. We're gonna be focusing on privacy and off-grid stuff because I think that's really cool. And again, it's for God forbid a disaster or some kind of digital terrorist attack. We're gonna be ready on this channel. So, and I had an interview with, I keep saying interview with, I actually had a interview with like ChatGPT where I was talking to ChatGPT. I was going back and forth. How do you hide from AI if it was to take over? And I was going back and forth with the questions. I actually posted the whole thing. Maybe I can blow up. Maybe I can get the PDF up. One. I'm telling you, I did this today. It was freaky. Wait, files. Hopefully this works. This would be great. Yeah. All right. So here we go. I'm not kidding. This is me today asking ChatGPT stuff. I asked basically how can AI take over, and I said, and then it gave me some options of how it would do it. And then I asked, okay, how would it spread itself? And then it said it would self-replicate, advanced AI copies of itself, improving its own algorithms and making more efficient and capable, make it more efficient and capable. Then I asked, okay, and it gets more crazy. You can look at this stuff. It's all in my Discord, by the way. And it's also my YouTube video that I just did too. So, what would you hit first? They literally said technology and IT infrastructure. AI could optimize and manage servers, networks, and databases, potentially leading to increased efficiency, but also vulnerabilities and if it's mismanaged. And I also talked about what about locking us out? What was the part about that? I don't want to go through all this because there's a lot, but still, like, and then I asked it, I said, is it a good idea to use Meshtastic devices, Tails, Linux, and dark web stuff to hide from the dark web? And it said, yeah. And it gave me explanations of why each one's good to hide if there ever was like an AI, rogue AI taking over the internet and stuff like that. Like it actually gave me instructions of how to stay private and how to dodge it. So it told me to stay away from cameras that could potentially have AI algorithms in it. It's really cool. You should check out that interview. It's pretty nuts. So FM, what's up? I already subscribed. It makes security look cool. That's the thing. Like I want to make. I'm so sick because and my biggest thing is that I'm always somebody that like I struggled with learning because I have ADHD and I'm dyslexic. So I have to learn things a different way. So things need to be fun for me to grasp it, right? So if I go to a cybersecurity channel and the guy's like talking demeaning to people or they're making me feel uncomfortable or they're better than me, I kind of like I get like not defensive, but I start to break down a little bit, not crying, but like I get defeated. That's the thing. And then it makes me disengaged and I don't want to learn. So if I find things fun, like these hacking gadgets, how easy it is to use this Wi-Fi pineapple to do Wi-Fi hacking, and there's tons of things. This thing, recon, war driving, these bad USBs breaking in and sending malicious payloads and funny pranks. I mean, it's you're playing around, but you're learning hands-on with advanced stuff. So like, that's the whole thing on this channel is I want to make it fun. And these gadgets are so easy to get. You can buy all this stuff on Amazon. This is not hard to do, and the best part is this stuff's fairly cheap, under $100. I mean, that one's like $300, but that's a different story. But the hacking Wi-Fi watch I used to break into my own house. Well, not break into my own house, but I broke into my Wi-Fi cameras with it and stole my own package. This thing you can get for $40 on Amazon. So like, it's There's so much free tools. And then Linux. I mean, you can use Kali Linux. It has a whole bunch. I should probably turn on. This is Kali, but it has a whole bunch of free stuff on there. You don't need a Flipper Zero. You don't need all the stuff. It has all Wi-Fi hacking stuff built into it. You just need a Wi-Fi adapter. Depends, but nevertheless, there's so much. And the thing is, too, like we're going to need cybersecurity people. We're in the verge of a digital war. Like we have countries. Russia's constantly hacking us back and forth. We're constantly trying to fight them, and we're gonna get to. It's gonna be once this AI takes over, it's gonna be a real big issue. So we're gonna take over, but all you have at the end is the world. Always take a look at if they cheat. Yeah, that's what I'm saying too. And they're really preparing for the mark of the beast stuff. So AI is definitely gonna be running a lot of that stuff. So it's not Spacey Jones. I like it. Dude, everybody, when we were practicing in the dark web server the other day, we all named ourselves Dave. There was Dave, fake Dave, the real Dave. Like, I don't know why. My name's not even Dave, but we had everybody Dave on there. It was so funny. Israel, okay, yeah. Using Linux is like cheating. Yeah, Linux is awesome. And it's not that scary. You don't have to be a super genius to use Linux. Now, Kali is tough. Like there's a lot to learn with Linux, but once you learn it, it's not that complex. I mean, I work with Windows machine. I'm a computer technician. Windows, I like it makes me want to punch things, and I'm not that aggressive as a person. I try not to be, but Windows makes me a bad person sometimes. So, but it's good. Like Linux is not bad. I mean, use Arch Linux. It's just like Windows. It's like really smooth. Dave's not. Yeah, here we go. We're changing our name to. I'll do it too because we're changing our name to Dave the other day. Hold on. I gotta put you down because I gotta entertain this because it's fun. Okay, hold on. May or may not be Dave. We're doing the Dave thing again. Dave. Hi. This is what happened last time we did this. So we have Dave. Dave is Dave not here. May or may not be Dave. Dave. This is the fun stuff. So yeah, look, the dark web can be fun. Look at us. We're having some fun right now. We're all Dave. Dave the noob. I love it. I love it. See, we're having fun. This is what I'm talking about. Like, I want to make this fun. The dark web can be fun. So I got to do more exploring. So my goal is to explore the dark web more and find the safe stuff for you guys, and then we can explore the safe stuff together. So, and again, this is going to be a really useful. This could be a useful tool one day. I mean, right? I'm lucky and I'm blessed to live in a country right now that I don't have to hide my religion. I don't have to hide my beliefs. But there's some people that have to. They have to use stuff like the dark web just to survive. So it's a cool tool. So we got Dave first. Dave is up first. Dave, I love it, dude. Sup, my man James Bond. Welcome to the stream, buddy. What's going on, man? I love James Bond. He's another channel member. Thank you so much, James Bond, for your support, and thank you so much, Define. You didn't have to do that today. I really do appreciate that. So we're gonna have a really. I'm telling you, next week I'm gonna give you guys a list of all the gadgets I'm gonna be buying. So is Tor? Yeah, Tor is how we access the dark web. Yes, you need Tor, and I have videos on how to download it and stuff on my channel. So you need Tor to set up the dark web chat servers and stuff. You need Onion Share. That's what you need. I have that all on my YouTube channel as well. Can somehow interface Meshtastic with the dark web chat room? Right? No, I mean you can't. It's two separate things. So think of like Meshtastic. Can I show this live? No, I can't. I need two phones. When I get the iPad when it comes in next week, I can show you guys Meshtastic live. So I need my phone to record, and then I can show you guys how it looks like. It's just like texting. It's like having an app, and then you can text. It turns into a walkie-talkie. Your phone connects to this, and then you pretty much this is your mini little cell phone tower that reaches up to 1 to 3 miles. My last YouTube video, I'll show it right now. I can show you a YouTube video. So I forgot. I have the power now. Look at this. Let's do this. Okay, last YouTube video. All right, see, it's a podcast. That was my Chat GPT interview. It literally warned us. It's crazy. You gotta check that out when you get a chance. Here we go. Meshtastic off grid. We just did this video today. Just posted. Commercials unnecessary is the only way I get paid. I don't get paid much. Okay. So as you see, I have two phones. Can I get a better quality right now? This is like 280p, 280p. Bleh. What's the quality at? Why is it so bad? I can't even get it to go up. All right, not working. Wait. Quality. 360p. How about no? I recorded 4K now. Oh god, it's laggy. I think I'm breaking it. Give me a second. And I'll fast forward to the Meshtastic spot. Okay, so as it loads, probably didn't need to do 4K. This TV's in. Okay, so see, you're looking at it right now. So I have the two devices. No, I'm blocking it with the stupid thing. I'm sorry, guys. All right, so it's like really laggy, but you can still see it. So the two cell phones, one phone's connected to that device. This phone's connected to that device. All right, I probably shouldn't do 4K. It's too much to handle. And it looks just like a normal chat. And then you can have encrypted channels and non-encrypted channels. So, and within anybody in range, like you can pick and choose if you want a private channel, if you want a broadcasted channel. So if somebody else was within range of this, had a Meshtastic device, we could talk to each other. So it's really cool. I mean, and it builds off of each other. You can build a mesh network with it. So instead of reaching 1 to 3 miles, if you have a Meshtastic device every 3 miles, you can go up to an infinite amount of time. It will just keep piggybacking and hopping off each other. You can create a giant network if you wanted to. So it's really cool. And I get the Meshtastic watch. It's coming. Meshtastic is going to be one of the main focuses on this channel because of the off-grid stuff. My dad used to be a chief radio engineer. He actually builds radio antennas. He actually has a business where he builds radio antennas. So we're going to be making custom radio antennas too. So I'll be working with him with that too. So there's a lot of cool stuff coming on this channel. And I can't wait to make custom LoRa antennas and maybe devices at some point, but one day at a time. But I'm letting you know the future layout of this YouTube channel. So the hacking gadgets are fun. They're really nice, but I'm not promoting the dark side of hacking. I'm promoting being private, vulnerabilities to protect yourself. That's all my YouTube channel really does. And so how to stay private and preparing yourself. Hey, look, you're doing the cool emojis in there. Nice. Oh, I need to do that too. The Ponagachi, is that the name of it? The Wi-Fi AI hacking tool. I know the problem was I was gonna do that project, but I ended up buying the wrong ink screen. So yeah, I ended up buying the wrong ink screen for that project. This is like the V3, and apparently you can only use the V2 with that thing. So that stinks. That's one project that got away from me. But I ended up changing this Raspberry 0W into a bad USB that you connect to over Wi-Fi. Kind of like how I have the other hacking device right here. It looks like a normal USB, but it's not. This is a diabolic drive. Where is my flipper? 0. So I just fixed that thing the other day too. Sorry guys, I'm like doing everything like one-handed. Come here, flipper. The staple of hacking gadgets here. And everybody knows the flipper 0. How cool and simplistic this thing is. We can live hack the TV. You guys want to do that right now? Can we get a hacked TV in chat? I'll do it right now. I'll literally shut off the TV with flipper 0. Allie, hey, dude, chill. What's going on? You guys, we got more people in the chat causing problems. Yeah, well, your own connection, Red. Your mom looks cool. Oh yeah, thanks. Thank you very much. Yeah, I've been working. I mean, it's a mess right now, but we're working on it. The main reason why I have these dark lights in here, so when I do like educational videos, it looks a lot cooler. So again, that's one of the things I'm working on. Talking about alternative data streams and how to hide files within files. And stignography, I probably say that wrong, when you hide malicious stuff inside of picture images. So like if you want to put in like a virus inside of or even a secret message, that's another thing I want to do. Secret messages inside pictures. You can do stuff like that with alternative data streams. So looking into that. So looks like you know about tech. Can you direct? What can you detect? I don't know what that means. I have Tor. I'm Brave. Okay, I don't know if someone said that doesn't work, so you can try it. But Again, we'll do a real fun thing with this Flipper Zero. Let's go ahead and turn off the TV. And I can't see, so I'm trying to use the camera. This is on the Momentum firmware, by the way, the dev version. Universal remotes, TVs, and let's go ahead and tack the TV. And there we go. Oh, and we actually hacked the light too. See if we get the TV turned back on. Come on. Yes, it's back on. Okay, and the light turned darker white. Yeah, it's cool. I mean, anything you can hack. What other options you have with the Flipper Zero? You can do. I can't get the camera to focus. It's so stupid. Projectors, audio, ACs, LED lights. Let's see what's mess with the LED light, right? So this is the on button. So see if we can turn off this LED. Okay, it dimmed it. It turned it white. Oh, I went a different color white. I like Momentum. I really do like Momentum. It's probably the best firmware for Flipper Zero. I used to use Extreme until I realized that someone explained to me that Extreme is no longer it's no longer supported. So Momentum's been great for me. I had one issue where I lost connectivity with my USB-C port, but after I did a couple firmware, I wiped the Flipper Zero and brought it back to life a couple times. It finally corrected whatever was wrong. So it's been great. I highly recommend. I have that. I have everything. Like, it's crazy because now that when people ask me questions, I can say, go to my YouTube channel. I made a video on it. So we're going to get to a point by the end of the year, all your questions will be like on YouTube. So on my channel. So somewhere on my YouTube, there's a thing explaining something about something on my channel. Like, it's there. So really, I really like Extreme. When I went to Momentum, some files got corrupt. Yeah, me too. So you're not. Who said that? Joe C. You're not the only one. I lost complete connectivity on this port. Where thank God I could use Bluetooth to do a firmware reinstall, and that saved me. If it wasn't for that, this thing would have been a paperweight. It was so bad. Why do you ask him to hack something illegally? No, I'm not. I don't promote that on this channel. I mean, we can if you want me to, we can attack my own computer today. Want to do some funny payloads? We can do that. I'll do that live. I don't mind that. I can show vulnerabilities live. We got to go back to the dark web server. We have all Dave's in there. Mad Dog made it in there. Mad Dog just downloaded Tor. Yeah, nice. Welcome to the dark web, my friend. All right, let's go ahead and attack my computer. So I don't know how long we've been live. A little bit over an hour. So we're gonna be wrapping up the stream soon. But let's go ahead and attack the computer, shall we? Okay, be plugging in. Let me get my seat. Let's go ahead and shut. I don't want to mess up my Discord, so we close out of Discord. Close. Okay, so we're going to attack my computer. So I'm going to plug the computer into the Flipper Zero. Let's go ahead and pick a payload. I gotta do one that doesn't completely destroy the computer too. It's a pain redoing this computer. Oh my God. Apps, USB. Actually, it's under. There it is. All right, we can do not acid burn. That messes up things too much. These computers are old. Cartman spam password. Let's do. I like the Matrix one. Let me go find the Matrix one. We do the hacker typer. Let's do that one. Okay. We're gonna send a payload to the computer right now. Okay. I'm not touching it. This is the computer doing all this. Oh. Server not found. Okay, so where it usually gets the cool imagery, the server wasn't able to be found. That's okay. Let's try another one. Okay, let's do. I know one. I did one literally last week live. It was the Smart. Bad USB. Hold on. Disable Windows Defender. No, let's do a funny one, not malicious. Hidden access. Jump scare. Matrix. I don't know what this one has. Want to try this one? This is Matrix Rain. I don't know. I haven't done this one yet. Let's try it. Let's see what it does. Okay, it's just writing a whole bunch of random stuff. It's not working. Hold on. Nope, that didn't work. Try another one. I might have to update some of these. Maybe this is for Windows 11, not 10. Yeah, hold on, guys. Reverse shell, Rickroll. Here we go. The Matrix Wake Up. I love this one. Hopefully this one works. So this is the Matrix one. So imagine like sitting on your friend's computer and just doing this to him, like how trippy this would be, like in the middle of the night if you saw this. Ready? Okay. Wake up, Neo. The Matrix has you. Follow the white rabbit. Knock, knock, Neo. I think that's so cool. Yeah, that's Flipper Zero is fun. So again, what this teaches you is that how easy it is to send malicious stuff to a computer. So let's go back to the dark web. How's the dark web chat doing, guys? How you guys doing there? Guys talking and getting to know each other? I love Washout, Vapor, Retro, House, Techno. That's pretty cool. Look, you guys are having conversations, and guess what? Your metadata is not being sold. This is a complete private conversation you guys are having on the dark web. I mean, it's private until I show the camera and go, hey, guys, look at this. But, I mean, if it wasn't for me, it would be a private conversation. So, scripts again. Yeah. Yeah, I got, and again, it's good to have. I have dummy computers. I got this whole office is full of computers. These are all hand-me-downs, like hand-me-downs. This was thrown away. These two computers, touchscreen computers, they were old Windows 8 machines that were barely usable, and I ended up cleaning them up, and now I can use them for pen testing, testing OSs. I built this one this week, the computer inside the Suitcase. That's only meant for do bootable flash drives. What other ones I have? I might have another operating system. It's a payload. All right, what else do we have? Parrot and Void. You could try Void. Why do I put Void in there? I mean, it's not really a hacking one. It's more or less like a thin, cheap client. So see if it works, because I haven't done this before. I haven't done this combination on this computer yet. All right. So the computer is currently cycling, so I don't know what's going on. No, it's having some issues. All right, let me try. All right, boot device not found. Is this no longer a Linux void bootable drive? Let's try again. I might have broke something. I might have written over that USB by mistake, so that could be me. All right, so it does not like this bootable drive. See, you break it, fix it. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. So now I know to check this out. So I must have damaged this or something. I mean, it was void. One of these got to be Kali. All right, let's try one of these. I gotta label this one. I don't have it labeled. Okay. All right, something's wrong. So now this thing is cycling like crazy. See, more troubleshooting. Will my Tails work on it? Let's try it, because I know Tails works. Tails. Where are thou? Tails. No, I can't find it. No. I mean, I think something's wrong with those flash drives. So I got to check them out. So it's going to be something to do for this week. So I will look into my bootable flash drives and see if I can get them to work again. So can you send me the dark web link? It should be in the Discord. Are you in Discord asking me to do that? Hold on. Let me go ahead and check this person out. Wait, let's flip her. Everything should be in my Discord. Are you not in my Discord server? All right, so we got about a 10-minute timer for the live stream. So hopefully I can get this other person in. So they're curious. I want them to experience the good side of the dark web. All right, there's the message from him. I will add you as a friend. We are now friends. Sounded creepy. Why did I say it like that? I am not good at people. I don't have good people skills. Copy text. Go to your message and paste. There you go. All right, I sent you the information. So you should be getting that now. Look at the dark web server. What the hell is that? I thought those were... What's going on in the server? Not the vibe, but... and these guys not sharing poop stories. The last time I had the server up for a while, everybody was sharing. Someone pooped in a urinal, I think. It was pretty nice. So... can you help me? I don't know how. What kind of help do you need? Is that the Hack 5 logo in the background? I'm trying to see what you've got going on there. You're in prison? I'm sorry. I can't help you. Oh, wait. My mind is going nowhere. I had to speak to people ahead in the comments because they only have 2 days. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, maybe, yeah. Well, if you need mental health stuff, I have podcasts, and I promote Christian and good pep talk videos in my Discord server every day. Pretty much almost every day. So we all need help. Yeah, I mean, I do. Again, before I end the live stream, like I really do care about people, and I started a mental health podcast on my channel alongside my tech one. And it's for sole purpose for like just helping build people up because I suffer with anxiety and depression, and I grew up a lot of it on my own. I was always afraid to get help. I didn't know who to talk to, so like I didn't want anybody else ever to go through that kind of stuff alone ever again. If they don't have to. So I have a couple good messages on there. I like to thank, and let me go ahead and I keep talking and not doing things. I'm very bad at multitasking. Come on. Go to videos. Nope, that's my live stream. Damn it. I'm used to a computer that was super slow. Now I got a computer that actually does things. So I feel like everything is going too fast. All right, videos. There's a ChatGPT podcast. So I posted this one today. It's about the tearing down your strongholds, the things that hold you back from mental growth. And I ended up posting, that's the dark web good one. I did a bunch of podcasts this week. That was this project right here. I did that video this week. And what was the one? I really think the other podcast. It's called Hacking Happiness. That's the name of the podcast. It's Hacking Happiness. I wish you could just show me. Over here, podcasts. There you go. So this is my Safety is Illusion Season 2. I got to find a way to get this. Someone requested this on Spotify. I got to work on that. I will work on that. So this is Hacking Happiness. This is for mental health. So I have 3 episodes on there right now. I can actually show you probably all 3. No, I was just going to play it. Okay. But I have 3 episodes on there. One's about value. One's about... right here, I can probably just scroll down. Okay, scroll down, please. So I can talk, show people. There you go. The first video I did about self-value, accepting yourself and your limitations, and then I did that tearing down your strongholds. That was today. So, and I post stuff in the Discord all the time. I try to give you a positive message throughout the week. So, that Nigerian prince has owned me for 2 years. I love it. Yeah, is that thing still going around? I tell you right now, phishing email attacks are like the easiest hacking thing. Like, I can't believe how many people get compromised off of phishing and smishing stuff. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Yeah, it can be flaky. Yep. Podcast. Let me hop in the podcast. Okay. It's on there though. I mean, I try to help with mental health too. So I'm here. I try to be here for as much as I can. And shout out to my mods in Discord because I can't be everywhere all the time. And I really do appreciate all the support you guys have been just being there in general, just like helping me out, stepping in. When people have questions in Discord, every time you guys jump in and help each other, it's just a beautiful thing. So I really do appreciate it. Ghost, we are using the Kill USB. I ordered it. Oh my God, let me tell you the story. So I ordered it and I immediately got rejected. I was like, huh, what the heck happened? So the bank calls me. Literally, no, I can't make this up. The bank calls me. Sir, are you trying to buy a Kill USB on a foreign website? And like all serious, I'm like, no, yeah, that I meant to do that. Yes, I am buying a Kill USB off of a European website. Yes. Oh, okay. Go ahead and try purchasing again, sir. After a minute, you should be good. I'm like, all right, thank you. So, do you know vishing? I don't know what vishing is. I know smishing is for texting. I know, is vishing from voicemails? I mean, it's all the same thing, right? But yeah, I literally got flagged for buying that device. So I'm definitely on a watch list now. So yay us. Oh my God. So yeah, it's coming in. I ordered it. And then I ordered, what else I ordered this week? The M5 stick, whatever it's called, stick. Someone told me to buy that. I bought that this week because it was only like $30. So we use that YouTube money. I literally have like $20 in the business account right now. So, so we need to wait for YouTube so we can buy more stuff. So thank you, Deathmind, by the way. Appreciate the 20. You said the strategy, it does still work. The phishing emails still work. They get creative. I got one today at work. Your Apple purchase didn't go through, and it looks like a legit Apple email. So, and that's another thing too. There's a company called Mel Wanton. They have a thing called Threat Zone where you can look at malicious links before you click on them, and it's really cool. You can end up tracing them and their IP addresses. So that's a product I'm working on in the background that you guys can have fun with during a live stream. So we'll go through all my spam emails, the ones that are not too sus. But Lucky Jet, what's Lucky? But anyway. All right, so we're going to be wrapping up the live stream because I'm going to be playing Black Ops 6. I've been looking forward to it. I pushed a lot of videos this week. Appreciate everybody here. I hope you guys learned something. And again, thank you, Deafmind, for donating $20 this live stream. Thank you, everybody, for coming and having fun in the dark web. You guys had a private conversation today on the dark web. And it's just to promote privacy. And this is a new skill that you have. So I have videos on how to set this up on my YouTube channel. It's fairly easy. I'm going to be shutting down the server. I'm going to shut down the live stream and shut down the server after like 10 minutes. So GR8 stream sometimes. Yeah, I'm going to be playing Black Ops 6. So I might go live on Twitch with it. I might just play it and enjoy it. I don't know yet. But if you guys want to play Black Ops 6, if you got the game too, let me know. I'll be playing it soon. So I'll message it in Discord. So hola, GhostStrats. I am new here. But the recommend. Oh wait. Okay, wait, on. New here. Thank you, Spacey Jones. Coming in clutch with the fight house. Thank you, man. I knew you about that. What are the recommendations to stick with as a cybersecurity journey? My advice is to find something you like. The cybersecurity realm is so big that there's some avenue that will speak to you. If you're really good at coding, there's a lot you should learn about viruses and things of that nature and how it works. You should learn Linux. I mean, if you're good at networking, do the networking side. If you're good at AI or whatever aspect it is with cybersecurity, there's so many avenues you can go. Find the thing that you are comfortable with. Find something that's easy for you to grab onto. So, all right. So thank you guys again for coming. Again, we talk in the Discord. Any questions you ask me in Discord, I'm going to be wrapping up the live stream. Again, thank you so much, Deafmind, the Spacey Jones. Really do appreciate you guys. All my channel members really do help fund the channel and help me get all these cool gadgets. We got a whole bunch of gadgets lined up for next month. Currently, the business account is at $20. So when YouTube pays us next month, we're going to be buying a whole ton of devices, a lot. So, and we're going to get some of the radio hacking stuff too. So it's going to be really cool the next following months. So we go live every Friday. I try to keep it within an hour. We usually go over a little bit, but again, I'm be playing some Black Ops 6. So thank you so much. I really do appreciate you guys. Again, I'm learning too. I don't know everything, but I'm trying to learn to share with you guys. And on my channel, I want to promote off-grid stuff and keep getting your privacy back, because honestly, like, we need to stop letting people take our privacies away. So, all right, thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a good weekend. And remember, safety is an illusion, and I'll see you in the next